The reliability of Caboer FPCs stems from this intelligent manufacturing facility. 1. Smart production equipment. LD laser imaging machines. Vacuum hot presses. UV laser drilling machines. A full suite of precision equipment ensures line width accuracy 10 m. 2. Full process quality control system. From substrate intake to finished product shipment, every board undergoes rigorous inspection via a full inspection, plus X-ray detection plus traceability system. 3. Flexible production capacity layout. Modular production lines enable seamless switching from small batch prototyping to mass production, effortlessly handling diverse order requirements. 4. Compliance and lean management. ISO IS 16949 ISO 13485 certified, halogen-free eco-processes, and lean management overseeing every step. Hardcore Factory builds reliable FPCs. Caboer safeguards your orders with proven capabilities. For partnership inquiries, hit us up in the comments.